Hello guys, welcome back to Gear Up GK. So this is the part 2 of GK on human physiology. Now if you haven't seen part 1, do check out that video. So let us begin with the part 2. In a healthy person, the rate of heartbeat per minute is answer 72 beats per minute. The invention of blood group was done by answer Karl Landsteiner. Which organ destroys the toxic substances in the digested food? Answer the liver. The red blood corpuscles are produced in answer the bone marrow. The largest part of the human brain is answer cerebrum. The average rate of breathing in a minute is answer 16 to 18 times. Why sweating is important? Answer to maintain the temperature of the body. The yellow color of the urine is due to the presence of answer urochrome. What is the basic functional unit of the kidney? Answer nephron. What is the name of the first test tube baby? Answer Louise Brown. While Louise Brown is the first test tube baby ever born, the second test tube baby is Kanupriya Agarwal from India. The stone formed in the kidney consists mostly of answer calcium oxalate. The old and worn out red blood corpuscles are destroyed in the answer spleen. What is the percentage of CO2 found in the exhaled air? Answer 4%. The center of reflex reaction is answer the spinal cord. The smallest structural and functional unit of the nervous system is answer neuron. The center of intelligence in the human brain is answer the cerebrum. At high altitude, the red blood corpuscles of human blood will answer increase in number. The pH value of human blood is answer 7.4. The life of red blood cell in the body is answer 120 days. Which is the longest artery found in the human body? Answer aorta. Blood pressure is the pressure exerted on the wall of answer the artery. The saliva secreted in the mouth digest answer starch. What is the enzyme that takes part in the digestion of the milk proteins? Answer renin. When a foreign body enters the blood circulatory system, the reaction is started by answer the white blood corpuscles. The artificial purification of blood is called answer dialysis. What are the arteries that supply blood to the heart called? Answer coronary arteries. Which blood group is a universal donor? Answer blood group O. Which blood group is a universal recipient? Answer blood group AB. The glucose level in the blood is commonly expressed as answer milligram per deciliter. Which part of the brain is the center of the thirst, hunger and sleep? Answer hypothalamus. So that is it for today's video. Hope you all liked the video. Subscribe to my channel Gear Up GK for more such content. See you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.